Alrighty, so we're talking about Fence Armor Finials. We're so excited about it. We're making post caps and finials. Right now our post caps are designed to work from lumber that's 3 3/8 all the way up to 4 3/16 or so. So when you buy a 4x4, most of you realize that you're not really getting a 4x4 most of the time. Usually 3 1/2, sometimes 3 5/8, sometimes 3 7/8. It's all over the place. So our caps are really cool and adjustable. And also we have finials that can go on our caps, and I'll explain that more in detail. But if you've got other caps already, like I have here, I've got this cap pre-existing, and it doesn't have a hole on the top. You can see here it's pointy. So our finials require a 1/4 inch hole, so they're 1/4 threaded. The stem is 1/4, and they come with a 1/4 nut. So if we put a hole on an existing cap, so you don't have to buy our caps right off the bat, or we don't have that size, you can use a pre-existing cap and drill a hole. In this case, I've got a 1/4 inch drill, and that'll give us enough clearance. So what I've done here for a setup, you'll see I've got here a couple of 2x4s and a sacrificial board here on the bottom, some old fence board I've got here. And if we flip it upside down, so now we need to put on our finial. I'll just go and grab that. This is hops, and there's our 1/4 stem, and it comes with the nut. So you put it in here, and now you can just flip it over and use your nut to put it on. Now one of the things here is don't over tighten. It's really important, because remember, this is 100% zinc, and yes, it is American zinc, but it's still a very soft metal. And if you over tighten it, then you could strip it or even snap it. So just be careful when you're working in there. Now you can align it the way you want. Maybe, I don't know, whichever way. And you'll figure out when you get out there how you want it aligned. But yeah, there you now have a cap with a finial.